1,000,000 miles. That's the kind of distance most engines can only dream of before they're hauled off to the scrapyard. But what if I told you there are diesel engines out there that laugh in the face of wear and tear? Engines built not to just survive, but thrive across generations. What's their secret? Is it unbreakable engineering, timeless design, or a touch of mechanical magic? And are these powerhouse engines hiding in trucks you pass by every day? From turbocharged V8s to indestructible inline sixes, we're uncovering the secrets behind 5 diesel engines that refuse to quit. When it comes to diesel truck engines that stand the test of time, the Ford Powerstroke 7.3-liter is a true icon. Introduced in 1994 and produced until 2003, this turbocharged V8 was designed by Navistar International, also called the Navistar T444E. It powered Ford's Super Duty trucks like the F-250, F-350, and even E-Series vans, becoming a legend among diesel enthusiasts. But what makes this particular engine so special? Let's start with the specs. This 7.3-liter beast delivers a solid balance of power and durability. Early models produced 210 horsepower, but by the end of its run, it was push-outing 275 horsepower with torque ranging from 425 pounds per foot to 525 pounds per foot, ideal for towing and hauling. Its compression ratio of 17:5:1 and electronically controlled direct injection were ahead of their time. It also features a single-shot hydraulic electronic unit injector system, which uses pressurized engine oil for precise fuel delivery, improving both efficiency and emissions. This engine is practically indestructible when properly maintained. Its cast iron block and cylinder heads were built to handle tough conditions. Drivers regularly report these engines surpassing 500,000 miles, and with some care, they can hit the fancy 1,000,000-mile mark. Its straightforward design, free from the extra bells and whistles of later models, means fewer things can go wrong. Of course, it's not perfect. Injector drive module and cam position sensor failures are known trouble spots. These issues can lead to starting problems or rough performance, but they're relatively easy fixes compared to the headaches of more complex modern engines. Whether you're hauling a trailer or just cruising, this engine delivers confidence mile after mile. It's no wonder truck lovers call it one of the greatest diesel engines ever built. Now that we've taken a look at the legendary Ford Powerstroke 7.3-liter, let's shift gears and check out another heavy hitter that's known for its versatility. If you've been around diesel engines long enough, chances are you've heard of the International DT466. This inline 6-cylinder powerhouse, originally built by International Harvester, has cemented its place as one of the most dependable engines out there. Whether it's in school buses, trucks, or farming equipment, this engine has proven it can handle just about anything. At its core, the DT466 is all about balance, power, durability, and versatility. This 7.6-liter engine features a cast iron block and cylinder head, which are like the bones of a heavyweight champion, built to take a beating and keep going. It's turbocharged, which means it doesn't just deliver power, it delivers it efficiently. With a compression ratio of 17:1 to 18:1 depending on the model, this engine can push out anywhere from 190 to 300 horsepower and a torque range of 520 to 860 pounds per foot. That's serious pulling power for those heavy-duty jobs. But why do you think it's a favorite among diesel enthusiasts? One reason the DT466 is so popular is its low-end torque. This means it can get heavy loads moving without breaking a sweat, making it perfect for towing and hauling. Its high-pressure fuel injection system ensures precise fuel delivery, which helps it stay efficient and powerful even under stress. And because of its versatility, you'll find it in everything from vocational trucks to school buses, a true jack of all trades. Over the years, the DT466 has evolved. The DT466E variant introduced electronic controls, boosting performance and meeting stricter emission standards without losing the engine's trademark reliability. Despite the updates, the engine has stayed true to its roots, simple, tough, and effective. Moving on from the DT466, which built a reputation in a wide range of commercial vehicles, let's dive into an engine that took performance to new heights in the diesel world. If you're into heavy-duty trucks or towing, you've probably heard about the Duramax LBZ 6.6-liter. Built by D-Max, a joint venture between General Motors and Isuzu, this V8 diesel engine is a powerhouse with a rock-solid reputation. Produced from 2006 to mid-2007, the LBZ is still a favorite among diesel enthusiasts, and it's easy to see why. So what's under the hood? This 6.6-liter V8 packs a punch, delivering 360 horsepower at 3,200 RPM and a heavy 650 pounds-per-foot of torque at just 1,600 RPM. Its 16:8:1 compression ratio strikes a balance between power and efficiency. Key to its performance is a high-pressure common rail fuel injection system, driven by a Bosch CP3 injection pump capable of over 26,000 psi. Add to that piezoelectric injectors for precise fuel atomization, and you've got an engine that's efficient and powerful. But here's the twist. The LBZ also features a Garrett GT3788 VA variable vane turbocharger, which not only cools intake air for better efficiency, but also sharpens throttle response, giving the engine a smoother, more responsive feel. The LBZ was designed to improve in earlier Duramax models, particularly the LLY. Tuning adjustments boosted its horsepower and torque significantly, enough to make a noticeable difference in towing and hauling. And while it met stricter emission standards for its time, it managed to avoid some of the more complex emissions control technologies that later engines had, keeping things simpler for owners. The LBZ powered heavy hitters like the Chevrolet Silverado HD and GMC Sierra HD, as well as commercial vehicles like the Express and Savannah vans. Its combination of reliability, power, and smooth operation made it the go-to engine for serious truck owners. But now it's time to go back in time a bit and take a look at a classic engine that's built its own legacy in the diesel world. If you're talking about diesel engines for heavy-duty trucks, the Cummins 6.7-liter is one name that always comes up. Introduced in 2007 and part of Cummins' B Series, this inline six-cylinder engine is the definition of a workhorse. It powers Ram 2500 and 3500 pickups, where it's earned a reputation for being tough, efficient, and incredibly reliable. This 6.7-liter beast packs plenty of muscle. It pushes out horsepower ranging from 150 to 420 depending on the configuration. Torque is where it truly shines, offering between 610 and a whopping 1,075 pounds-per-foot at around 1,600 RPM. That's the kind of power you need when towing up to 31,000 pounds. The Cummins 6.7-liter runs a high-pressure common rail fuel injection system, which ensures efficient fuel delivery and reduced emissions. It also features a whole-set variable geometry turbocharger. This turbo adjusts itself to provide strong performance across different RPM ranges, meaning you'll feel the power whether you're crawling uphill or cruising on the highway. The engine's robust design includes 7 main bearings and a gear-driven camshaft, making it incredibly durable and smooth running. Meeting emissions standards is a big deal in modern diesel engines, and the Cummins 6.7-liter nails it with features like exhaust gas recirculation and diesel particulate filters. These systems reduce harmful emissions without compromising power. Plus, with oil change intervals of up to 15,000 miles, maintenance is less frequent, keeping costs down. If you need a dependable engine that can handle the hardest tasks, this one's a no-brainer. Finally, taking the #1 spot in this list is a true powerhouse that set the stage for modern diesel engines. When it comes to legendary diesel engines, the Cummins 6BT 5.9-liter sits at the top of this list. This inline six-cylinder four-stroke diesel engine has been a game-changer since its introduction in 1989. Whether it's powering a Dodge Ram or a piece of industrial equipment, this 5.9-liter powerhouse is known for its durability, reliability, and no-nonsense design. The 6BT has a displacement of 5.9 liters, and with a bore and stroke of 4.02 by 4.72 inches, it delivers horsepower ranging from 104 to 420 depending on the setup. But what really steals the show is its torque, starting at 265 pounds-per-foot and climbing to a massive 1,075 pounds-per-foot for high-output models. That's the kind of pulling power that makes it a favorite for heavy-duty applications. But what makes the 6BT so tough? Well, it's all in the construction. The engine's built entirely of iron, with forged steel connecting rods and an assembled camshaft. This robust design ensures it can handle the toughest conditions, from hauling heavy loads to running industrial machinery. The turbocharged setup enhances its performance, while the symmetrical combustion chamber and high-pressure common rail fuel injection system boosts fuel efficiency and reduces emissions. The Cummins 6BT's versatility is unmatched. It's most famous for its role in helping to establish the diesel pickup market, but its applications go far beyond trucks. It powers construction equipment, generators, fire pumps, and even marine vessels. One of the reasons this engine has such a loyal following is its straightforward mechanical design. Maintenance is a breeze and repairs are relatively simple, making it perfect for those who need an engine that lasts. Though production of the 6BT ended in 1998, its legacy continued with the ISB series until 2007, and its reputation endures among diesel enthusiasts. Now, which diesel engine is your all-time favorite and why? Do you own a truck with any of these engines? Share your experience below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your fellow diesel enthusiasts, and subscribe for more engine breakdowns and truck talk.